Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by dropping into the penguin stance. Feet shoulder width and toes angled out so your knees track over them. You should feel your hips sit back and your knees stay soft. This protects joints and builds balance. Once aligned, engage your core and relax your shoulders so the movement drives from the hips. Make sure to breathe steady and hold for 30 to 60 seconds on the first set. This primes the muscles and teaches the posture you'll use next. Now progress into controlled waddles. Take 8 to 12 small steps at about half to one full stride, keeping the penguin stance intact. You lead each step with a subtle hip rotation to generate forward motion while your arms swing as a counterbalance. This prevents upper body tension. Once the rhythm is steady, focus on exhaling during the step and inhaling as you reset to preserve breath control. Make sure to keep your chin neutral and your core engaged so the movement stays efficient and safe. Finish by slowing to a deliberate stop and resetting your hips and knees into the neutral penguin stance. Take 2 deep breaths to re-establish control. You should then assess balance. If you feel a wobble, retrace the gait slowly and shorten steps to regain stability. Once done, practice one more controlled set to reinforce motor patterns. If form breaks down, reduce step length by about 25% and focus on core engagement. This correction quickly restores control and prevents bad habits from forming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.